What's up, class? Evans here. We're gonna make a part called Model 1, or the shelf. So come over here to create, document, just put the number symbol and then 1 and then type the shelf. Of course, with your period and initials. Now, I'm going to use the line tool for this, and I'm going to start it from the front view. Now, I'm going to do it a little bit different. When I showed you the additive method, what I did is I drew it and then gave the number, drew it and then gave the number. This time, I'm not going to put any numbers, so don't freak out. We're just going to draw the shape, okay? It starts off a little bit off to the side. I want it to be lined up to the origin there. I'm going to go up, over, up, over, down. I want it to line up to that guy. Yes, perfect. Over, down, and make this little teeth motion here. There we go. Not sure why it gave me that little dot there. Let's delete that. All right, so I am going to now dimension it. So one of the dimensions is it's labeled as 4 all the way across. Enter. All right, and I'm gonna give this all of its dimensions that I'm reading off of the front of it. There we go. Now I'm gonna add in one more dimension just to make it even. I'm gonna click this side and then the center, and I'm gonna make this 1. So it puts it right in the middle and keeps it, that's called a location dimension. So every single one of these other dimensions here are sizes, the dimension of how big it is. This one that I just placed right here, this is the location. I want it to be centered, so I made that left edge 1 inch over because this top is 2 inches across. Now, if you're questioning why is the 2 gray, is I can't change the 2. It knows that if this is 4 and this shoulder is 1 and this shoulder is 1, then obviously that's 2. So technically I don't even need that one. And if you leave it, it's okay too, so it's no problem. And notice that everything is black. That means everything's locked down and nothing can move. Your part doesn't have to be all black lines in order for it to be complete or finished or correct. But that's just something to note, that if you ever see like a blue line, that means there are some parts that could possibly move. See, this one could move. And maybe it's not the way you want. So black lines tell you everything's locked. All right, let's extrude this. Now, since I took the time to center it, like I said, when I extrude it, I also want to show you how to center it there. So I want this thing to be 2.5 inches extruded. I'm gonna click the part here. Now notice that it all comes forward. You can actually control which direction it goes, including making it symmetric. So I'm gonna make it symmetric so that it's right in the middle of everything. All right, we're almost done. The next step is to make that little shelf on the side. Now that shelf ends up having multiple dimensions. I'm going to click the side here and I'm going to turn it so that it's facing me. Zoom in a little bit here. It has 2 location dimensions and 2 size dimensions. It also has a dimension of how far it comes out, the extrude, which is also a size dimension. So I'm gonna click the rectangle button and I'm gonna just place a rectangle here. Now the size of the rectangle is 1.5, enter, 0.25. That's its size. Now, where is it on here? If I hit escape, if you see, I can move it. So where is it located on here? Well, it's located exactly 0.75 down from the top edge, and it's located 1/2 inch from the front. Those are both location dimensions. Now I'm going to extrude it out 0.75. So click the extrude button, make sure to type 0.75, and then call me over and I'll grade it for you. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask, especially if you're stuck. Bye.